In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI, a tool that helps you transcribe audio and video into text quickly and accurately. Whether you're a student wanting to jot down lecture notes or a professional preparing minutes from a meeting, Otter AI can change the way you handle transcriptions. So let's get started and explore how you can make the most out of this tool in just 5 minutes. First, you will want to go to otter.ai in your web browser. This is where all the magic begins. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll need to sign up to access the features. Otter offers a straightforward sign-up process, allowing you to register with your Google or Apple account, or simply with an email address. Choose the option that suits you best and proceed to create your account. After you've signed up and logged in, it's a good idea to head over to the settings section to set up your basic preferences. This step is crucial because tailoring your settings will ensure that your experience with Otter AI is smooth and aligned with your specific needs. Spend a moment here to explore the various settings on offer. You might find features you never knew you needed. Once your preferences are sorted, you're ready to start recording. To do this, simply tap on the record button. As you begin speaking, remember to articulate your words clearly and try to minimize any background noise. This will enhance the quality and accuracy of your transcription. Otter AI is quite efficient, but it performs best in a quiet environment with clear speech. When you're done recording, know that you can tap pause or stop, depending on what you need at the moment. If you wish to take a short break, pause is your best friend, and once you've finished altogether, the stop button will wrap things up for you. But what if you have existing audio or video files that you need transcribed? Otter makes it easy to work with these too. Simply upload your files and let Otter AI do the heavy lifting by converting them into text. Additionally, Otter is not only about recordings, it's great for live meetings as well. You can use Otter AI to transcribe meetings in real time, which is incredibly helpful for capturing every moment without missing out on important details. Once your transcriptions are done, take a moment to edit if necessary. Check the text for accuracy and make any corrections. This way, your final transcript will be polished and ready to use. And finally, after everything is set, you can export your work. Otter AI provides various formats for exporting your transcripts, making it easy to share with colleagues, classmates, or anyone else who needs to access the information. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to start using Otter AI effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy transcribing!